Woo! Okay, welcome to my derp moment here. So, trying to install JB4 on this thing. Got it all installed. I'm like, alright, cool, we're good to go. Crank it up. It doesn't fire. I'm like, what the hell, dude? What did I do wrong? So when you look at the instructions here, black to black, white to white, gray to gray, right? I don't know. You look at this. Tell me if you see what I might have done wrong here. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix those and we'll have another go at this and we should be good. Much better. Okay. So it helps if you connect gray to gray, white to white on there. Alright, she's a runner.